Yeah, I'm Luke. I'm a first year engineering student, agriculture engineering at Harper. I've not really had much experience in motorsport before. I've been to a couple of truck racing, a couple of banger racings back in my childhood, but nothing major, nothing to do with rallying at all. I started in the rally team in September, just picked up a spanner, picked up a hammer, whatever they threw at me, and just gave it a bit of a go. And I've just learnt so much through doing that. I love the hands-on experience, the hands-on sort of facilities that they've got at Harper Adams, rather than just sitting in a lecture, taking notes, death by PowerPoint. Seeing the rally team, and when I joined in September, that first induction that they did, sort of thought, I'll go along, see what happened, and never thought I'd have so much fun. So I'm a number 2 mechanic. So competing in the rally championships, particularly at the events, hearing the other teams talking fluently to each other, they know what they're on about, and even in Rallying the Right Way, particularly the 4th years, they know what they're on about, but it can be daunting coming from a first year. But everyone there's there to support you. A lot of the events that come up tend to be like within the next few weeks of an assignment deadline coming up. So time management is particularly something that I've learned throughout the rally team, getting the self-discipline to get something done. And engineering-wise, there's just so much. I've only got basic knowledge on how a car works and what makes the wheels go, but getting this hands-on experience from the rally team has certainly helped get the knowledge through engineering. There's so much to learn out there, and the hands-on experience from the Rallying the Right Way is helping so much. I mean, going down to the workshop every Wednesday, it can be quite challenging sometimes, because I've never really picked up a hammer, picked up a spanner, done work on an actual car, but I get told sort of I need to put something on the car, need to do something with the brakes or something, and the resources are there and the expertise are there if I need it, but just being able to get on with something and them having the trust in me that I'll be able to do it. I don't know if I can have a biggest lesson. I think just every single time I go down there, every single minute I'm learning something new. If I didn't go on that first Wednesday that they hosted in September, I'd no idea what I'd miss out on. Yeah, I'm looking more of an engineering pathway. So working within the rally team, you'll come across something that's a problem, and you'll need to solve it like there and then. If it's in the service bay particularly, you're under a lot of time pressure, so you've got to come up with something, come up with a solution. Just going to the rally team, if anyone out there gets a sort of a similar position, they want to join something but they don't know how people will feel, just take the opportunity. No one's going to complain at you for doing something, and if you try, you never know where you're going to go. Just do it. You'll have so much fun. There's so much out there for you to do, and you'll gain so much experience to push you further there.